Hey Life Groups, I just wanted to take a quick minute to talk to you guys about our service project for this semester. If you've been in a Rainsome Church life group before, you know that we like to take an opportunity each semester to get together as life groups and to serve our community around us. We think it's an important part of what it means to be a community of believers together. So I've got some good news and some bad news. The bad news is that we aren't doing Love Sioux Falls this year. But that's because we've outgrown it. We've gotten too big. We're no longer just serving in Sioux Falls. We're serving in surrounding communities like Harrisburg, like Mitchell, like Hartford. And so we have to change the name, and Laverne, didn't want to forget you guys. And so we're changing the name of the event to Live to Serve. That's the good news, that we're doing Live to Serve again this year. It'll be March 28th, and it's going to be bigger and better than it was last year. So your life group leader is going to be handling signups again. You'll want to take the opportunity in the next couple weeks to look at your calendars, make sure that you can be there on Saturday, March 28th. The event will be from 8 a.m. to noon. We're going to have all of our life groups together. We've got 50 life groups, about 600 people. We're trying to get everybody on board to serve Free of Self that day in our life groups, serving the community in community. So Live to Serve, March 28th, 8 a.m. to noon. Your life group leader will have signups and some more instructions as we get closer to the date, but I wanted you to put a save the date on the calendar this week. And I've got one more surprise for you, and that's this. All of our service projects this year are going to be a mystery. So instead of telling you guys where you're going to be serving, we're just inviting you to show up that day and come in clothes that you can be outside and clothes that you can get paint on, because no one will know what they're doing. And then we're going to get together and unveil to everybody all at once where we'll be serving that day. So it's going to add a fun component. It's going to add a community component to what we're doing here. And we're excited about giving you that option to serve free with us. So March 28th, 8 a.m. to noon. Your life group leader will have signups and more instructions as we get closer to the date. But come ready to serve Free of Self. Come ready to serve as a life group together and to serve your community in community.